polar opposite end of the stick. So there's a polarity to create that balance. You can't.
Did that help you?
No,
prepare
Tootsie
for the
came
role?
up. All right, this isn't.
In my bathtub, is that okay?
You know, I was hoping you would be in your bathtub, but not like this.
He drowned in a pool and he'd kill himself.
I don't want to get into it. This is supposed to be lighthearted. I have a toaster oven tattooed on my ass. It's not,
you know, with chips in it. Oh, soft,
like Coke, Pop, 7-Up.
Yeah.
I really enjoy 7-Up.
someone who probably smells just,
So that makes you a baby backwards tit sucking.
You are a juggernaut. You know what you are? You're my
Shih Tzu and a Pitsu.
Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.
I don't know exactly.
No, actually, I moved to Los Angeles to work at A&M Records to get in the record business.
Thought its mother's teat and all the milk saliva was drooling it.
That's a deep philosophical question. That requires a whole day. What alchemy really means is the transmutation. Turning metal into gold is just a metaphor for transmuting from one form to another. Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.